Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile 757 working on a 2005 Honda Accord 4-cylinder, replacing the exhaust and the intake manifold camshaft position sensors. There's two of them. There's one that's sitting right here. Before you do that, you got to take off the air box, completely take the air box off. You'll take the EGR valve off. You'll lift it completely out of your way. Once you get the box out of your way, you can get it off, and I'm going to show you the tools to use. But anyway, this is your intake manifold camshaft position sensor. There's your intake right there. And this is your exhaust camshaft position sensor. There's your exhaust. How I got the EGR off, I use this tool right here, 12 millimeter. And I went right here and I cranked on it, and then I took another socket and I went straight down and I got the nut off. So you'll see, I'm going to put it back on real quick for you guys. So you see how it sits in the car. So with this special tool, I just took it and went straight down and got on the nut just like that. This is a clamp that keeps the antifreeze from flowing all over the place. And then there's another nut that's sitting. Let me see if I can get you guys to see. It's hard to see. Where are you at? There is actually another nut that sits right there. And you just use a socket and ratchet, and you go straight down to 12. That is the easiest way to get to those two sensors. So after you take the EGR valve off, you slide out of your way, and voila, there they are. The intake and the exhaust camshaft position sensor. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, share, hit that like button, keep that algorithm going to all my customers to save them money. Thank you.